What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Brittany Bazell, and today I'm back with another video for y'all. I'm back with another video, y'all. Today we're doing the beginner makeup routine tutorial. I am gonna go through the steps and things of how I do my makeup. I want you guys to come with me. And make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Tap the notification bell so that y'all can be notified when I post new videos. I'm going to be doing a video soon on my hair, so stay tuned for that video. And if you want to be notified, click the notification bell. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, guys. I appreciate all the support that you provide to my channel. Thank you for rocking with me, watching my videos. For more details on this beginner makeup routine, stay tuned because we're about to get right into it. Y'all. All right, so I usually start by priming my face.
I keep remembering that this tutorial is for y'all and I need y'all to see all the steps, so. This might not come out exactly like I wanted to, y'all, but trying to show y'all and trying to do it in my eye level as well is proving to be slightly more difficult than I thought that it would. So I'm probably going to adjust the camera in just 2 seconds.
Alright, I think I got my little setup a little bit better, a little bit easier for this video to get completed. So, trace the outline of the brow. I traced mine with a darker brown, and now I'm filling it in with the medium brown. I think I was talking earlier about how since my hair is now a little bit darker, when I had the pure blonde hair, I would only use a medium brown colored eyebrow pencil because I personally didn't want to walk around with heavy dark brown, almost black eyebrows and very, very light blonde colored hair. That's like the quickest way to look confused is I don't know what. So yeah, medium brown only when I was a light blonde. take my little dusty butt beauty blender. This color is going to be the darker corn color.
This is going to be an eyelid color. And if this brush don't cooperate, I'm dog sure going to use my finger.
Probably at a little different angle now, whatever. My camera's just cut off. But anywho, yeah, I don't do a lot of liner, but liner does help, so we're gonna finish this up. All right, y'all, so after liner I do lashes, and if you don't know how to apply the lashes, go and watch my lash video that I posted. How to apply lashes quick and easy. It goes through all the steps of what you need to do to get your lashes done. So next we're gonna do our foundation. I'm gonna Okay, the camera cut off again while I was doing concealer, but I'm back. You guys can see I conceal in my laugh lines and under my eye. Next is
just whisk away our excess powder.
That feels better, and that kind of evens it out, and that definitely finished off the look, guys and gals. What do you guys think? I should go put some earrings on for y'all. Make sure y'all comment on the video. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel for more videos. If y'all are interested in doing this again with me, seeing us, you know, we can try something else together. Let me know what y'all think. Give me y'all feedback. I'm open to it. I enjoy hearing it. Thanks for stopping by my channel again. Don't forget to go and check out my other videos. And just like that, thanks for coming by, guys. Tune in for more videos.